What is a good replacement for ununderstandable? I want to tell a colleague of mine I'm doing something that will prevent her from getting ununderstandable errors. I have. So that you will not get unnecessary, ununderstandable errors. After Googling a ununderstandable, I see that there is no such word, but I'm still looking for something that sounds better.
How about incomprehensible or unfathomable?
I prefer unintelligible.
Enigmatic, abstruse, obscure, or Kabbalistic sound good to me.
So that you will not get unnecessary cryptic error messages.
My recommendations are difficult to understand or impossible to understand, opaque, obtuse.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.